Key prosecution evidence shown in court today in the murder trial of 3 men charged in the killing of Ahmaud Arbery. It includes an image of the shotgun that was used in the fatal shooting. Arbery's father told News4 Jax he cannot bear to look at the video again and again in court of his son being shot to death.
I'm gonna ask you a serious question. If you seen your kid get blown apart with a 12-gauge shotgun like that, what would you do?
No, it's okay, sir.
Come on.
It's okay, sir.
Would you go look
It's
at
okay,
something
sir.
like that? Your kid. Come on.
It's okay, sir. It's okay. It's okay.
Justice for
Greg McMichael, Travis McMichael, and William Bryan are all facing murder and other charges in Arbery's death. News4 Jax reporter Janice Harris has been covering the trial in Glenn County. She's joining us live with more on today's proceedings. Janice.
Lots of gruesome images and also video today. The state trying to prove to the jury that those 3 men overreacted when dealing with Ahmaud Arbery, while the defense is trying to defend their actions. The jury saw the 3 shotgun holes that were left in Ahmaud Arbery's body after he was shot and killed. He was shot in his wrist, chest, and side. At times, jurors were visibly uncomfortable looking at these images. Travis McMichael, one of the defendants, was seen taking notes while the evidence photos were shown.
So that is the 12-gauge shotgun that was used.
Investigator Sheila Ramos with Glenn County Police Department testified that she collected the evidence that day. She also went to Randall Park's home. It had been struck by projectile from Travis McMichael's shotgun. Ramos was not able to get the evidence immediately.
We asked Mr. Farr if he'd be willing to let us cut his wall to retrieve the projectile, which at that point he was in the process of selling it and did not want any damage done to his walls.
The defense cross-examined Ramos and asked her about Travis McMichael's emotional state on 2 separate incidents after the shooting.
You had a very brief interaction with him there, and I believe you noticed that he was in a distraught state.
Yes.
The second witness of the day, Officer Ricky Minshew, he was the first officer to arrive at the shooting.
Did you attempt any CPR or anything like that on the deceased male?
I did not know, ma'am.
Okay, why not?
Well, when I got there, I did not know any of the people or any of the facts or circumstances to what had happened.
After court, Arbery's mom said she didn't understand why Minshew did not try to save her son's life.
Very disturbing. He arrived on the scene and he saw a man in the middle of the road. And he also saw 2 other guys that were standing there. I hadn't really put it all together on what he was thinking. It really don't make a lot of sense at this time.
And some of the McMichael's family was also in court today being supportive. Court ended around 4:45. It will pick back up at 9 a.m. Reporting live from the Glenn County Courthouse, Janice Harris, Channel 4, the local station.
Janice, thank you. A reminder, you can follow the proceedings each day and look back at the history of this case and a special section on our website. Just go to news4jax.com/Arbery case.